There are many money-making opportunities out there, and we've been involved with quite a few, namely property marketing, web development, residential construction, security, multi-level marketing businesses, etc. Visit our site fxsignal365.com. We've come to a few conclusions with the help of some well-known property coaches. Often people with the income they desire don't have the time to enjoy it. Those that have time don't often have money. You don't have to sacrifice your lifestyle to earn an above-average income. If you focus on that for a few months, you can make that dream a reality and create time and money to do what you really want. To earn a living, money is given in exchange for a product or service rendered. It needs to be sold continuously, otherwise your income stops abruptly unless it's a repeat type of product or service. Money is a medium of exchange. There's no magical formula to possess it. You need to exchange something of value for it. Visit our site fxsignal365.com. What if you could have access to thousands of customers who are ready, willing, and able to buy from you whenever you wanted? Wouldn't it be great to avoid any hassles like money collection problems? Just had a delayed payment from my web business. Keeping difficult customers happy. We all know what that's like. Competition stealing your business without providing the same value, etc. All that is possible with. You can also trade from anywhere. Take your laptop with you, find an internet connection, and away you go. Another advantage is that you don't need experience to get started. Get a traditional job involves accumulating specialized experience, having a well-polished resume, and having the right contacts. With the right training course, you can get started straight away. Here's 7 more reasons to trade. 1. It never closes. It's open around the clock, worldwide. Trading positions open at Monday 7 a.m. New Zealand time and close 5 p.m. New York time on Friday. During this time, you can enter or exit the market whenever you like. It's a continuous electronic currency exchange. This is great because you can trade whenever you have spare time. Visit our site fxsignal365.com. 2. Leverage. Standard $100,000 currency lots can be traded with as little as $1,000. This is mainly because of the ease with which you can buy and sell. Some brokers will leverage up to 200 times, so with $100 you can control a 200,000 unit currency position. It's the best use of trading capital around. Even banks lending on property investments don't come close. 3. Accurately predict the outcomes. Currency prices generally repeat themselves in predictable cycles, so you can see what the trends are. Technical analysis helps to see these trends and profit from them. Visit our site fxsignal365.com. 4. Low transaction cost. In other words, your mistakes won't cost you a fortune. Good brokers won't charge commissions to trade or maintain an account, even if you have a mini account and trade small volumes. 5. Unlimited earning potential. Has a daily trading volume of over 1.5 trillion, the largest financial market in the world. It dwarfs the equities market, 50 billion daily, and the futures market, 30 billion. 6. You can make money in any market conditions. Each market is one currency against another, so when you buy in one, you're selling in another, so there is no bias towards either currency moving up or down. This means it's up to you to choose which currency to buy or sell with. You can make money going up or down. Visit our site fxsignal365.com. 7. Market transparency. This is an advantage in any business or trading environment. It means you can manage risk and execute orders within seconds. It's highly efficient and allows you to avoid unexpected surprises. I hope you're now convinced that is the best investment and income opportunity around. Hopefully you liked this video. So please like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks.